present, and we have our interpreter present. We still have both parties and Miss Roberts. Thank you. Miss Mars, would you turn your camera back on? Thank you. And Mr. Mars? Very good. Good morning.
Good morning.
And Madam Interpreter, what language do you interpret?
Ukrainian, as far as I know.
And so Miss Mars is, Mr. Mars, are you an assistance of a Ukrainian interpreter or just Miss Mars?
No, Your Honor. I'm with assistance of government authorities. That's more than enough.
I'm sorry, I could not understand what you said, Mr. Mars.
Yeah, I don't need interpreter.
Thank you. Are you able to call her on a phone or otherwise set it up so that it's simultaneous?
Yes.
Thank you.
Пані Марс, вам потрібен перекладач?
Так.
Будь ласка, відправте свій номер телефону клерку для того, щоб не говорити відкрито в суді, і я вам зателефоную. Там є опція, мабуть, відправити текстове повідомлення. Check. If you don't find your honor to prevent her phone number from airing all over that place, I told Miss Morris to send it through chat. Her phone number.
Okay. Can you see it?
I believe Madam Clerk will be able to see that. And I will get it. Don't worry, don't worry.
Again. Mm-hmm. Right. I tried to print something out. Oh, shoot. Did you hand it to somebody? Yeah. Madam Reporter, I'm sorry, may I borrow that calendar? Sure. I think I stapled Judge's stuff to it. Thank you, very good.
On the right.
It must be Monday. Thank you. Should have told you I was printing something. Exact same timing.
I look over here. Yes, we can hear each other.
Very good. All right, so we are set for the remainder of our financial trial. The court had set aside 2 hours for this morning. Ms. Roberts, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Mars, are you ready to proceed?
I do have a statement that I have to say. Could you please state a name of court reporter, please?
No. At the end of the hearing, if you need contact information for our court reporter, I'm sure she'll be happy to provide it.
Okay.
But my question is, are you ready to proceed with the financial trial, Mr. Mars?
No, Your Honor, we cannot proceed with you on this case. And since we have court reporter, I kindly ask court reporter to write each my word. I state on record
Mr.
that
Mars,
Your Honor,
Mr.
currently
Mars,
you are
I am not
investigated. Your Honor,
Mr.
you are
Mars,
investigated.
if I may,
Apologies.
there is a time and place for every. You have filed your requests. The court has responded to each of those requests, and now we're set for trial. And we're going to proceed with trial.
We cannot proceed, Your Honor.
Unless
We
you
have
have
personal.
good cause
We have good cause.
for a continuance or some other specific request, but I'm not going to just open up
the courtroom for you to give a speech, or for Ms. Roberts to give a speech, or Ms. Mars to give a speech. We are set for trial today. Are you ready to proceed with the trial?
Your Honor, we do have a personal conflict of interest, and according to CCP 170.1, Section C, 683, and Section 38, judge who has personal conflict of interest with the party in the case is legally required to recuse. I state on record that you are investigated by government authorities for bribery and severe intentional repetitive misconduct. That this hearing is recorded.
Mr. Barnes,
There are
if
witnesses.
I may,
There are witnesses and reporters in courtroom. I request, Your Honor, you to obey the law and recuse from this case, because stating this moment, this very moment, there is obvious and undeniable personal
So I've
conflict.
muted you, Mr. Mars, just so you know. The court reporter
There is-
cannot hear you
There is
because you're
undeniable.
cutting in and out.
There is undeniable conflict of interest between you, Your Honor,
I'm cutting you
between
off
you, Your
again
Honor, and me,
to-
petitioner on this case. Your Honor, I kindly request you